Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, please don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you don't miss my other videos. And if you're returning, thank you so much for the love and support. On this video, I'll be giving you an update on what will happen this week on Scandal. Tuesday, 10 June. Popular turns to poet for help, recruiting him as a secret informant. The dynamics of power and loyalty are put to a test. At the same time, a father attempts to justify his past mistake to his son by hiding behind cultural traditions, sparking further emotional conflict. For Tlhori, the final straw comes when the traditional remedy crosses a line, destroying any remaining trust she had. Wednesday, 11 June. Tlhori refuses to be shaken by the chaos and stand firm to her decisions. However, Matuela is forced to confront the consequences of her own actions and the pain they have caused. Thursday, 12 June. Ndala offers Chloe a new perspective that challenges her previous assumptions. Nhloso, on the other hand, finds himself suddenly vulnerable when his secrets are exposed to the public in a humiliating and invisible way. Friday, 13 June. A devoted father is left helpless when someone he deeply cares for faces a crisis he cannot fix. Meanwhile, Dintle receives a subtle push that inspires her to think outside the box and pursue her desire with a fresh creativity. Thank you very much. That was all for now. Until we meet in my next video.